Mateo.
I'm Marisa. I'm Illy.
And yeah, this is our pitch and our product. Every single day, the United States throws away enough paper to fill a 100-story building. That also leads to most of the paper is actually paper that is not recycled or not properly stored in the right area. Actually, 17.2 million tons of unused and unrecycled paper does go straight to landfills and fills them up. One tree alone is 8,000 sheets of paper. And junk mail that is not used and that is not wanted eventually is not thrown away or tossed away properly by normal people. So it just leads to even further wastes. And, yeah. Next slide. So here we have a graph showing how much wood and we have used for just paper alone. As the population has grown over time, our consumption of wood has grown tremendously. This is more seen and more affected in the Amazon rainforest, which has gone to a loss of habitat of very endangered species, endangered tribesmen, and of course deforestation. Wasted paper harms the environment and climate. From this, greenhouse gases are on a rise from how much paper we use and how much of it is actually burned and wasted in landfills. This then leads to destroying forests, filling landfills, and affects the air that we breathe in because of the lack of CO2 protection that we have, that the trees soak up and give out oxygen, heavily affecting the air quality and the high rates of asthma that is coming around the world. So we introduced the product.
The repaperizer. So imagine you're walking down the street, seeing schools, businesses, and buildings cluttered with paper that's pretty much wasted and just there taking up space. With the repaperizer, you can help lower that cost along with the amount of paper used and wasted throughout your city and world. So what we do with the repaperizer is fill it at the top, then it then becomes shredded. It then becomes shredded along with the chemical compound we put in it, helping it dissolve, turning into a pump, cleaning and taking away all the bad chemicals within the paper that could be harmful to people. We then, once it's turned into a pulp, we then tap the screen to give it shape and dimensions, then presses it down into this paper, giving it thickness, the length and width. And what our product is made of is plastic from our department that we have recycled ourselves. Each product is made of recycled plastic we have collected over the years, and yeah. Next slide, please.
So instead of walking into a classroom or a business space with overfilled trash paper, our company wants to insert our machine, the repaperizer, in all these spaces to encourage people like teachers, business workers, or to start recycling paper more and reuse it instead of wasting money on unnecessary paper. With less wasted paper being thrown in our landfills, and it prevents trash, giving us more space to build and make our world more nicer. Yeah.
So together we'll make a lasting impact on our environment by supporting our repaperizer. Every sheet we save and every page we renew brings us one step closer to a cleaner, more sustainable future. This machine is more than just an idea. It's a step toward a world with less waste and more safe for our planet. So for today only, 10% off our